Please find a quiet and comfortable place to sit down. Close your eyes and begin to enter a state of meditation. Let us together experience the calmness and tranquility of meditation. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Feel your breath entering your body and slowly exhaling. Don't force your breath. Just observe its rhythm and sensation. As your thoughts gradually settle, shift your focus to your body. Start from the soles of your feet and slowly feel each part of your body, moving upwards until the top of your head. Now, let's shift our attention to the sounds around you. Listen to the distant sounds, and then bring your attention back indoors, listening to the sounds around you. Don't judge or modify these sounds. Just simply listen. Let's imagine yourself in a beautiful and serene natural environment. It could be a lush green meadow, a serene blue lake, or a majestic mountain range. This place belongs entirely to you, where you can relax your body and mind and fully experience the harmony and tranquility surrounding you. Next, redirect your attention to your inner self. Try to observe your inner sensations and emotions without judgment or the need to change them. Just accept their presence. Finally, silently repeat a few positive self-affirmations in your mind. For example, I am calm. I am loving and kind. I have the ability to face challenges. As you silently repeat each statement, feel the energy and meaning behind them. Now, slowly return to your present sensations. Gently move your body and open your eyes. Thank yourself for taking the time to engage in this meditation practice. May you have a peaceful and fulfilling day. Thank you for participating in this guided meditation. I hope this brief meditation helps you experience inner calmness and tranquility. Meditation is a tool that can help us relax our body and mind, reduce stress and anxiety. Setting aside some time each day for meditation can enhance our focus, attention, and overall quality of life. Thank you for your participation in this meditation practice. Wishing you a serene and enjoyable day. Thank you. Please comment, like, and subscribe our channel. Share this meditation journey with your loved ones. Enjoy life and love yourself even more.